We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to find the derivative of this implicit relation. So, we have to find the derivative of each term. So, let's do everything step by step. So, I have derivative of x cubed with respect to x plus the derivative of y cubed with respect to x minus derivative of 2rxy with respect to x is equal to 0. So, what I have? Again, anytime there is no constant, there is always invisible one. Okay? So I have constant 1 times the power 3 x power minus 1 and minus 1. So I have 3 minus 1. And in this case, I have dx over dx plus constant 1 times the power 3. I have y power minus 1. So I have 3 minus 1. And the derivative of y with respect to x, dy over dx minus derivative of 2rxy. I'm going to write over here. So this is going to be constant goes first. So I have 2r open parenthesis, okay, derivative of the product of two factors, okay, so first factor x times the derivative of the second one, so I have dy over dx plus second factor times the derivative of the first one, dx over dx, close parenthesis, everything is equal 0. So I have 1 times 3 is 3. X 3 minus 1 is equal 2. Dx over dx is equal 1. Plus 1 times 3 is 3. Y. 2 minus 1 is 2. Dy over dx. Next, I'm going to organize everything in the parentheses. So I have 2r, I have x dy over dx. Now we have plus dx over dx is equal 1. So I have plus y. That's why I'm not going to write this one. Okay, everything is equal 0. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 3y squared dy over dx. Next, I have to distribute negative 2r to the parentheses. So I'm going to have negative 2rx dy over dx minus 2ry, and this is equal 0. Please notice that we can factorize dy over dx. So we have dy over dx, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 3y squared minus 2rx, and I'm going to move to the right side negative 2ry and positive 3x squared. So I'm going to have, if I'm going to move negative term to the right side, in this case I'm going to have positive, so I have 2ry minus 3x squared. Okay? In order to find dy over dx, I have to divide both sides of my equation by 3y squared minus 2rx. So I have 3y squared minus 2rx. And I'm going to end up with dy over dx is equal 2ry minus 3x squared over 3y squared minus 2rx. 3y squared minus 2rx. And this is the solution. This is my solution to this problem.